in the way that the first generation people can. I think one of the things that is very, very clear, and Mustafa, you've said this now again and again and again in the show, one thing that is very, very clear, and I want to slightly put it differently, is that when it comes to the political positioning of a person, in comparison to their iman, of the two, their iman is the more important thing. I think this is something that is clear. On the other hand, of course, politics is part of our deen, but our iman is critical. And I think one of the things that is absolutely clear in this situation, even if you weren't a Bengali, even if you weren't from Bangladesh, say you were Arab or something like that, one thing that is very, very clear is that Awami League, given what it has done, given its history, given what the Shahbaz bloggers have said, given that their website was taken offline and the government has allowed it to come back, and everything that you have said, one thing that is clear is that this is a matter of iman, that people who consciously subscribe to this type of ideology are people whose iman is either already gone, they're already kafir or in kufr, or are on the doorstep of it. And people who support them are supporting kufr. Yes, and they're supporting kufr in a country that is 90% Muslim. So therefore there is no excuse. No. In a country where there is 90% Muslim, there is no excuse for supporting kufr and fisq and ilhad. You know, this type of extreme secularism, this type of extreme nationalism is all anti-Islam. There's no excuse for supporting that in a Muslim country. So what I say to brothers and sisters is, if you value your iman, and if you value the iman of your relatives, and this could be your father, it could be your mother, it could be your uncle, it could be your grandfather, it could be your mamu, I have relatives back home, then essentially not being concerned about their being Awami League is to not be concerned about their iman. This is what every single Muslim who doesn't associate with Bangladeshi politics needs to